Welcome to Blackstone, Dorado Hills, where 990 acres of luxury living unfurl before you. Introducing 3124 Aldridge Way, a tranquil treasure nestled behind the coveted gates of Blackstone. With premium upgrades throughout, this beauty is better than new. Well, hello. Step inside to discover the allure of rich hardwood floors and a captivating two-sided fireplace. This home is an entertainer's dream. The great room unfolds into the chef's kitchen, where sunlight streams in through a wide array of windows. The kitchen boasts an oversized quartz countertop, furniture-grade shaker cabinets, and top-of-the-line appliances anchored by a spacious walk-in pantry. The primary suite is a retreat of luxury, complete with spa-inspired bath and walk-in closets for unrivaled luxury. Step outside to a custom stamped concrete patio, outdoor kitchen, bar, and gas fire pit that turns this space into a private paradise. A short walk away is a Blackstone clubhouse, your gateway to exclusive amenities like swimming pools and a state-of-the-art fitness center. 3124 Aldridge Way isn't just a home, it's a haven for those who only want the finest in life. Claim this luxury. Schedule a private showing with us today.